Good afternoon, boys and girls. I am Ms. Moran, and this is today's math lesson. And we will continue with sorting. So let me talk about what we're going to learn today. Let me show you. Today you will learn how to sort. And sorting is important because it helps you to group objects that are the same into groups. And then you can look at the objects and say or be able to explain why are they the same or why are they different. So I drew the picture here for you about sorting. So remember, all the stars, we're sorting by how they look, by their attribute or their shape. So we're going to put all the stars right here and all the circles right here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So in today's activities, I am going to show you some objects here, right here, and we're going to sort them. We're going to put the bears over here, and we're going to put the frogs over here. And sorry, Ms. Moran doesn't know how to draw very good, so I try my best. So the attribute is how something looks. So today we're going to look at our counters, and we're going to see if they're bears, and if they're a bear, we're going to put it here. And if it's a frog, we're going to put it here. So we're looking at its attribute. What does it look like? Is it a bear or is it a frog? Okay? So here's a blue one. And look at his eyes. Okay, sorry about that. Somebody came in the room. So we're looking at this and the color is blue, but we're not sorting by color, right? We're sorting by how it looks. We're looking at the eyes and we are seeing that this looks more like a frog. So we're going to put the frog over here with this frog. How about this one? So we got to look at its characteristic. We got to look what it looks like. That looks like a frog to me, so I'm going to put him right there. What about this one? Yeah, that looks like a bear, so we're going to put it right there. What is this? A bear or a frog? A frog. So we're going to put it with the frogs. What is this? It's a bear, so we're going to put it right there. That's a frog. So remember, they're different colors, but what we're sorting for is by the frog. Okay? So we're not sorting by the color, so the color doesn't matter right now because we're looking up here to see what attribute we're using. And we're not using color, we're not using size because we do have small ones and big ones. The attribute we're looking for is how they look. Is it a frog or is it a bear? So this one is another frog. Here or here? Over here, right? That's a frog. What about this one? It's a bear. It's a frog. Another bear. And this one? You can tell your mommy. Bear or frog? That one's let me see if we can zoom in a little bit better. Well, that's a bear. What about this tiny little one? That's a cute little bear. Another one. That's another little bear. What about this one? That's a bigger bear. It goes with the bears. And this one. Another bear. And my last one. A frog. Yeah, I tricked you. You probably thought it was going to be a bear, right? But no, it's a frog. So here are my frogs and here are my bears. Okay? Okay, guys. So we were sorting. And in today's homework, you're going to have to sort by how the objects look. I think today you have to, you're going to have like SpongeBob and Patrick Star. So you have to sort by how they look. Okay, so pay attention to that. So I'm going to go over what we just learned real quick. Let me see. Okay, So today we learn, or we continue to learn and practice how to sort, okay? That's important because it helps you put things into groups, things that have something in common. It depends on what they're asking you for. So you have to pay attention on the top to see if they're asking you for the shape, if they're asking you for the size, or they're asking you for the color, or what they look like. Today's activity was, is it a bear or is it a frog? So that's the important thing when you're sorting. You have to pay attention what they're asking you for, okay? All right, so that's the lesson for today. I will see you tomorrow. Moms, I'm gonna once again add the video on how to upload, or how to do the actual Google slide, because I know I have some new students, and I want to make sure their mom knows how to do it. So if you already know how to do it, if you have no problems, you can leave the lesson now. Ok, mamás y papás y familias, voy a poner aquí el video de cómo subir la tarea y cómo hacer la tarea de matemáticas, porque he tenido nuevos estudiantes y quiero asegurarme que ellos saben cómo hacerlo. Si tú ya sabes cómo, no estás teniendo ningún tipo de problema en subir la tarea, ya te puedes salir de la lección. Gracias. Acá arriba van a estar los videos, mira los dos videos, y luego acá abajo está la tarea. Entonces le va a picar aquí en lo verde que dice Assign, y aquí le va a salir la tarea. Le presiona ahí. Cuando recién baja la tarea, se mira así, y aquí pues no puede mover nada. De hecho, creo que porque ya lo debe haber hecho ella, pero para que pueda mover todo, le presionan aquí a porque inicialmente la tarea lo lleva todo aquí. Se le presiona aquí. Y ya cuando le presiona aquí, entonces ya debe de poder moverlo. Ya lo puede mover. Ok, bueno, se me vuelve a regresar. Entonces aquí ya lo puede mover. Está en la computadora un poco despacio, pero de ese modo ya lo va a poder manipular y mover los dibujos. Ok, mientras que esté trabajando en ese trabajo, la tableta debe de estarlo saving, guardando sus cambios. Entonces ya cuando termine, va a salir aquí, ya debe de estar sus cambios. Aquí ya se ven los cambios, le pica la X y luego ya le puede poner turn in y ya me lo manda con los cambios hechos, ¿ok? Aunque se salgan de repente si están batallando y se salen de la cuenta, los cambios se deben de estar guardando. Entonces antes de que me